Hey there, welcome to the Orlando Science Center for the Science of It. I'm nerd Eric Burris, joined by Zachary from the Science Center. All right, so Zachary, what are we doing here?
Yeah, so we're going to be doing a thing that we like to do here at the Science Center called Will It Shatter? Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to freeze some food. Right here, I have a rotisserie chicken in some liquid nitrogen, and we're going to ask the age-old question, will it shatter?
Will it shatter? Like the fun graphic.
Exactly, right? So we're going to go ahead and just plop an entire chicken in there.
And this, this is fresh. This is
fresh.
All right.
I got this just mere hours ago.
Whoa! All right, so you're adding liquid nitrogen. So talk to me about why this is even a thing.
Yeah, so liquid nitrogen is so cold, it starts boiling at negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
And it's not negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. So this very dramatic display here is actually just taking out the Florida humidity, right? This is actually just fog and water vapor. And let's see, you can add a little bit more here.
This, you can't buy it like a grocery store, by the way.
Perfect.
I don't think, right?
I don't think so. I don't think they have liquid nitrogen frozen chickens, but we're going to actually set this aside, let it freeze for a few minutes.
Let it freeze in the Florida, okay.
Yeah, in the Florida sun.
Okay.
And so we're going to go ahead and get a control with our other chicken here.
Yep.
And so just see, first, would it have shattered without being frozen?
Right. I'm going to step away.
Yeah, step back. That's a good idea. I'm going to go ahead and put on my safety gear.
In a Gallagher style,
smashing in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, blah.
Okay.
The noise, blah. Okay.
It went bleh, and it is now down on the floor. It definitely smashed.
Yes.
But it did not shatter.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and take out our frozen chicken here.
And you can't obviously handle that with bare hands.
No, so that's why I have very fun tongs.
Yep.
And gloves on. Perfect.
Yep. Okay. Look at that thing.
All right. And now we get to ask the question, will it shatter?
All right.
Smashing in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. I mean, it's frozen solid.
It's frozen pretty good. So I guess if you're wondering, yes, rotisserie chicken will shatter.
It's frozen.
It's frozen pretty good. Yeah.
So funny. Zachary, thank you. Now, before we go, wait. If you want to learn more about this kind of a thing, talk to me about what the Science Center has.
Yeah, so we have one of our favorite shows is the Cool Science Show, where we do a bunch of different things with liquid nitrogen. We explain the science, why it's so cold, why chicken is shattering under its pressure. So if you want to learn more about it, you can come to the Science Center and see that show, or you can visit osc.org, www.osc.org.
Yeah.
And you'll find out about a bunch of awesome information.
Very good, Zachary. Thank you very much, and thank you for joining us for the Science of It.